Good morning, happy family. What you guys are doing today? How Miss Debbie doing? You look like you're a guy and a gal. You gotta put your hand on your back. Right, correct. Well, we still here with the storm family. I be still a try. I will still get generator and so I run back there. I will clean up. I will still get power outage. Yesterday I went to Home Depot and they said 50,000 people there for help out with the situation, and I think they're gonna post up the video there she get there. All in the parking lot there, I drink coffee. Alright. Left today Miss Debbie says she's gonna cook some curry. So I don't know what she get started here with. She'll start steam out. Well, steam out the Qatar. Sweet rice. Onion. Kahari. Cover. Bowl. Pot spoon. Pumpkin. Flour. 3 garlic, 1 knife, white stem bhaji or white root bhaji, however you want to call them. I will get some era here. Guyana era. I will get some pak choi bhaji here. Or kalalu bhaji.
No, that's poi.
Or poi bhaji. Or some black baigan here. Saburu baigan curry, era curry, bhaji curry, and bhaji curry. And pumpkin. And this what is flour for? Alright family, so that's the update there for the hurricane. I'm still left on it here. And today we're gonna have some taster testing coming. We're gonna have Dave and Trish. I'm not too sure about Sham and Priya. And who else more you say coming?
Yeah, I think Sham and Priya's coming because they're not going out.
Okay, because Sham said he was going to the St. John River.
Yeah, I don't think they're going. Priya said it wasn't too high.
Okay.
Sherry told me they're coming.
Sherry and Rocky?
Yeah.
Alright.
And Dave and Trish. Did you mention Dave and Trish?
Yeah, them are the first one. Bokta lady coming.
So now you're done with the house one now, you're going with the wife.
Right. So Bokta lady coming for sure. And who else most of them are come? Sherry and Rocky. Sham and Priya. I'm not too sure if Uncle Neville them are come. We told them.
Uncle Harry and his wife are coming.
Uncle Harry and Chandro is coming. Who else more?
That's it.
I want really get on Jandy or Hawan?
No. They just feel sweet salad curry.
Alright, so she just feel like she says she want to eat some curry and
I mean, decide for tell a few people around.
and she decided for invite a few I guess YouTubers. Not really.
A few people that we know around the area.
So a few people who they're around the area. Yeah family, so this is the update here. Well, I see on the previous video there. Abigail is flooding and things and stuff. I have to dig hole. Well, the water go wrong in the earth. All he may flood out, all inside the bathroom, all things so flood out. See all he? To dig out all he, so. Why are they all about? So we still get the generator running, all is blowing. Hot water tank, all things so. So I'm gonna do a generator inlet and I'm gonna show you guys how I install it. So you and your family or anybody probably could get it. It's see all about have a dig hole. All about have a dig hole for the water sucked out. You want to bore here come up. Alright, I stay tuned, family. So we have to transplant.
I'm a transplant. I'm not transfer, I'm a transplant. Because the pan was too small
the rice swell up.
for the sweet rice.
The rice swell up and the pan too small and the taste testers them that water come there with. I can't
Taste
let the,
testers?
yeah. I can't let the plants me hear like they love sweet rice bad more than it's good. So
Just leave it at that there. Leave it right there. And throw the milk for me.
so quick that thing hot?
Hello, it was already boiling.
What's milk for you?
Throw, man.
Show man?
I mean, throw milk.
Oh.
Good.
You say extra show man.
Throw the milk, man.
So,
Throw the milk, man. We said, oh, God.
So also once again family, I would like to say a big thanks to all you loved ones who care about us and leave us some wonderful comments about the hurricane and who call and things and check up on it. A big thanks to you guys. You know, maybe I don't remember everybody, but a big thanks to you guys, right? Also, my bye Nikki and family, thank you so much for shooting me a text message too. And my bye Tanal, the Tanal family. Very spoon for that.
Yes, please check out them channel. Nikki, what Nikki channel
The Nikki
name?
family.
The Nikki family.
Yeah.
Please check them out. And the Tanal family. Check them out on YouTube. Give them a like and a subscribe.
Yes.
They're good people.
Also, big thanks to Uncle Kenrick. I know was he calling him like 500 times already. Thank you very much. My bye Sean and Danet. Thank you so much. Who else we have?
Everybody who offered us, it was a lot of people. Put the carnation in.
Auntie G.
Auntie Sasha.
Um,
Auntie Sasha. What's your husband name again?
Johnny
boy.
Wait until the connection.
Yeah, get the knife is over there. The knife.
And also a big shout out to Shamila in Ocala. Thank you so much also for check up on Abe. Where did I be?
It's right on top there. Right where the badge is.
Shamila that Shamila? Ano siya?
Shamina. Shamina no. Shamila.
Shamila.
Yeah.
And Auntie Shamina. Naila ma'am. You know Naila?
Yeah.
Big shout out to her. She also in Ocala. A big shout out to my Uncle Anwar. What's up everybody? How you doing? Jam?
Yeah.
Yeah, we go. A big shout out to Auntie Maureen.
Yes, sir.
Auntie Maureen, big up yourself, man. Take a big up. I do hope you change your behavior when you get, alright? We still love you very much, though. Take a big up.
Yes, I was a poor alto one time.
For real? Oh, big shout out to Miguel Diane, too. Diane in Ocala, big shout out to you, man. You and your wonderful kids. You're 3 picking and one husband you get. Is that opening next to? What's your husband name again, yeah?
You ask me. Me you ask.
Forget man, nabay ko ako Macy naman. Maybe forget your name, right? But Diane, you know who we're talking about.
I know by the way go pee head na good. He medication done.
Adam, I'm making right now medication. Medication I'm making here right now. Alright, so what's next? Sugar?
Good. No, just leave it, let it boil now, and that's it. You can strain this this Katahar in the meanwhile. thing. You're not gonna get one pandit for do jandy.
And now me if I understand this girl make parsari so to. Like you really don't jandy
How
for
you
truth.
gonna make salmon curry with and sweet rice and so, and you're not gonna make parsari?
So I'll look for a pandit then.
I'm done a pandit.
Who the pandit?
Well, you gonna pay your pandit $500 for when you can do them yourself.
Represent all maniki? Jai.
Good.
Done there.
What more you want? What more do you want?
Pandit.
Me hear the pandit them in Florida charge $1,000.
Me know, currently,
According to what I hear, them a charge
according to size of your house.
house, yes.
Sorry there. Me know God what people are charge. According to size of your house.
According to the size of your house, that's how they're gonna charge you. But anyway.
Alright, here up. Let me do a recipe for this parsari we're gonna make now. So you see this botte family? Watch it properly there. How much butter like this you put in here?
We put 6 of this little one.
6 of this little butter here.
What size is it? I don't know.
Yeah, man.
I will put 3 stick butter.
Oh, you say 4 cup. What do you say here?
Yeah.
4 cup.
Or 4 tablespoons. So we put 4 tablespoons 6 times.
So that's
That's how much.
4 tablespoons there inside this butter here, family. So just in case if I get home and I decide I feel like I want to eat parsar and I don't need a pandit, just get this butter here, so. And gamble go.
You can use any butter you want, but me use this one.
So what is this butter already here?
Done ready.
And remember, you don't give it a lot of fire, right? Slow fire.
You know, put in too much butter for me.
Why?
Get 1 pound.
Me mama.
1 pound. 1 pound per side.
Me definitely got call up pandit ito rin.
1 pound per side.
Just now?
I don't know if make it too good, but I'll try.
Just now, family, you see root ko stomach.
No.
And I get puri ko stabili just now.
Yes, for sure. Make it for sure.
Today's Saturday, no, family. And don't forget today's Saturday. Oh, big shout out to me by David Gaera. David, take a big up, buddy. Thank you so much for the call, man. And check up with me and the family.
And when I feel to eat something, make it and eat it.
Correct is right.
I gotta wait for wedding or jandy or whatever the case is.
Big shout out to me, my dear Raj. Bye-bye.
Say na, find you. Send my body there.
You for GPS. Me telling you already. If I call me and I get through, I call Kavita.
Who's that?
I'm not here. Your heart is like.
The sun is coming out.
Make it brighter. Ellie, what's up there, baby? Take a pick up, man. Buddy, what's going on there? Shanisa, take a pick up, girl, before you say something to big you up on the channel. Eh?
I will add the flowers now.
Oh, by the family, she don't steam out she katahar. She did 5 katahar. It wasn't enough. So she did an next 3 more again here, so. Right? So total katahar, 10 katahar. If me no kong. And this is a seed, katahar seed. So I don't know if that go bile or what happened with that. Oh, you steam out done already? Or so long now you start throwing flour already? How much flour you throwing there?
Yeah. I don't know how to work with
Are you started?
Let me start. I don't know how to. I just use my eyeball.
Well, family, I say big problem there. He's got to use eyeball. You know what I'm doing? He say.
Me not just cook with measurement. Me cook with my eye. I want me to think this right.
Correct is right.
It might not be right for everybody, but I don't know. That's how I do it. As long as the family like it, that's all.
Yeah, he's looking like parasite already. Because I eat it, no?
Eat it, no? You're gonna get the curry and put them inside.
Yeah, I'm flour, man.
So this thing got a
Patch. So this is butter parasite family. About the one there?
yeah. You're living with flour.
Gamli go, man. You true. Alright family, now let me get your handy for patch
Yeah.
up this thing here, so.
Yeah, because I got to go mix the milk thing.
Yeah. What milk thing you want mix?
The throw in here now.
Oh, and then they sweet rice boiling it too. Alright, so we get it lucky family. We got hot the milk.
Yeah, you had them. You put half water, half milk. You have them like, and then when you put the sugar in milk. So you put sugar to taste.
Okay, sugar for this. Right. Alright family. See? You gotta make sure you mash out all this lumpy. Yeah, Sammy. A parch in it. You got to turn brown. Yeah, Sammy.
Slow fire. If you done.
Slow fire. If you burn it on.
Yeah, you're right. You done in the garbage.
Hey, brother Reese, what's going on there, buddy? Look what's taking place here in the United States of Florida. How's the weather treating you guys here in Canada? How are all my Canadian people doing? Hope you guys are doing good. All my UK people, how are you doing? Guyanese, Trinidad. Oh, family, I also like to do big shout out to I forget, man. Forget clean. Forget clean ang hura, bhai. I'm gonna remember just now. Huh? Oh. I'm gonna remember just now, family. Who? Candice? Oh. Yeah? Ay, longgan. You ready for the milk?
No.
Oh, you got patch yet?
Yeah.
Alright, family, stay tuned there. Alright, family. So this thing ready here now. You see how brown and I see it?
Go, if this pattern, you can burn you.
No, mama, go.
Go, Gamma, go.
Alright, so
Good.
give me the pot spoon now. Who got torn?
No, me. Ready?
Gam, let go.
You ready for this?
Gam. Brown and I say.
Ready?
Gam. Start on. Torn. If that get lump.
Blame Gopi.
Saniam. Catch it in Canada there, man.
Man, you can catch it. Here. Whatever catch it is.
Right, yeah, the same thing there.
Here.
Gam. Can't make this thing get lump. Yeah, mama, how this thing a hard work. Yeah, hard work, boy. Yeah, nice to eat, no?
Soapy?
You gotta mash up all the lump. See? None lump. You see that? See that?
You see that?
Yes, family. Yes. It's walking good, eh? This thing walking good.
Knock a little taste now.
What's going on here?
Alright, let me go bring the pan to throw it out in.
Yeah. That way, Carl. Persad.
Alright, so I'm going to take it now and I'm going to pack it in this tray.
You know much body belly must have caliber there right now. And one must have torn up there. And belly go. Persad.
Listen, I just make it so it's easy.
Samuel, you know this is a must. Whatever extra. Take it easy. Ready.
What should I work the hard for me? Look, you scrape up the thing.
Yeah, I can't show this thing, huh?
And I dig in and I take.
Can't show you all this, see? You want to see family yet? You know. I just know the old school style. Yeah, so not show it. So that's one dong. You get 9 more for go.
Yeah.
Alright, in the meantime, this is going on here. Oh shucks, we miss a whole curry and my turn outside.
Use this spoon.
Okay.
I don't want to stop. Have to change the pan. I'm going to throw in the condensed milk now.
And they're ready. And they're going to be 2 dong.
And you got boiled down. And then it could be 2 down.
So that's the final touch, family. Condense.
You put condensed milk? Oh, sure. The spoon off it.
Too small. Let me give you a little story in the meantime. Hi, princess. Good morning. Good morning. What happened? Condensed milk? Alright. So we get that going there. In the meantime, big shout out to Sandra Bridge Lal. A parcel like tap me tongue there. Sandra Bridge Lal. Big up yourself there all the way from Trinidad. So take a big one. You want a little sugar?
Yeah. If I put 2 condensed, then I'm going to put more.
Go ahead, Grandma, go. Go, baby, go. Go.
Just a little sprinkle of sugar.
A sugar, yes?
Yeah.
Sweet rice. For kids rice. Yeah?
Hi.
What you want?
Sugar, hi.
What you want? What you want?
Hi.
What you want? What do you want?
Tell that what you want.
Huh? What do you want? Dawa.
Nice.
What's that? Come that a high shit, come. Come that a high shit, little water baby. Alright. Want to make aloo curry too?
Yeah. I won't try to. You gotta keep turning this because if you don't keep turning it, it's gonna burn.
You burn or a piece?
Because once you put sugar,
You don't start stick that already.
yeah, you're going to keep.
Alright, family. So let me get on. Yeah. Alright family, let me give Miss Debbie a hand here with this yes, with this sweet rice here. And we'll come back with her here, right?
Come there. Can I take a bath?
Let's see what happens just now. Where are we going to start here with now?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, baby. Wow. You gotta come for just now.
Onion. Garlic.
Phải xay lean.
Yeah. They fry up liver and then you put it in.
You know, you all this pumpkin here. How much body will you feed, girl?
No, not bad. How will you like complain?
Yeah, mama. Two roti.
Roti.
Mm-hmm.
Like roti. Dal rice.
Pumpkin curry.
It's not pumpkin curry.
So you will let this fry up here a little bit. So you don't fry up?
Yeah. Now,
Oh, you get water inside there, man.
no, this is all pumpkin.
Oh.
But you got water too, but the pumpkin all the way to the bottom. Wanna make this? Wanna make this?
One ka Harry pumpkin in your ass.
How's this one?
Nice.
And this one.
Put in your bite. No?
I'm gonna cut it.
The pumpkin are milk, by the way?
Yep.
Yeah, so put in how about if you put in the whole pumpkin inside and cook it? And see what happens.
It's very cooked. Pumpkin, I guess.
Yeah, pumpkin.
Well, some pumpkin are hard to buy, you know.
Uh-huh.
Let's hope this is not the case.
Well, you go buy it for now, forget till tomorrow. Don't. Don't. Miss Abby forget for chip in one piece of the pumpkin.
This one piece last.
How the sweet rice come in there? Face in or is born in?
No, cannot. You just cover them because I don't want the, you know, want the
Splatter up.
curry for the pumpkin going into the curry.
The pumpkin curry.
Yeah,
Mix up with the sweet rice.
that's right. This is almost ready. These start get thick.
You ready? Alright, Abby, this will get ready too.
You ready?
Well, now that we said the pumpkin and the sweet rice will get ready. It's that smell like pumpkin curry already. You know you eat raw pumpkin though, right?
If you want.
Okay, just like we eat the raw shrimps. So, sugar, adding a little salt there. Don't put your foot in there, mama. That's water. That's water. Wait, that I will start the back of the generator. I don't know why I'm to the generator. Alright. If you don't throw in the salt there, stir this up here a little bit. Like bungee down.
I'm going to throw some jeera too.
Okay. Jeera for taste. Like if you masala the pumpkin.
Something like that.
Alright, family. I stay in track there. What? 2 tablespoons of the jeera. That's for getting the little black thing that way you see inside the pumpkin family. Yeah. I can see only black thing inside the pumpkin. Some people show masala too.
Maybe.
Water.
We'll cover this down a little.
Okay. Alright, family. So that's none na dong yet. Only a parcel alone done. I stay tuned, family.